here we are with Norma Markham. We're at ProFusion in Toronto, November 2023. And Norma's going to tell us about what's going on here today, because this event looks amazing.
It is an amazing event. It's the only photo and video expo for all the brands in Canada, and they're all here.
I'm Glenn Rodger. Here's another majestic video. I hope you're having the second best day of your entire life. So where we're at the ProFusion event?
Yes, we're at the ProFusion event.
So what are you guys promoting? Sony?
We're here with Sony.
Sony? So what's your name?
I'm Kathleen.
What's your name?
Marion.
And your name?
I'm Adrienne.
Can I ask you guys a question?
Sure.
Do you guys know why the football coach was shaking the vending machine?
No.
He wanted his quarterback.
Excuse me. I knew it was going to be that.
Is that okay?
I thought it was a serious question at first.
That's why it made you laugh so much. The place is packed here. There's about 300-400 people behind me. Lou's taking the seat. So let's go over and interview Lou. So Lou, so what brings you to ProFusion today, Lou?
Glenn Rodgers and Glenn Rodgers Photography.
So what, tell me something you enjoy about photography. What is it you like about photography?
I like the creative side of it. I like nature, I like animals, I like landscapes, I like people. So I mean, these are all nice things to be able to capture. And sometimes, you know, as I've said before, you know, these are all memories that we want to make sure that, you know, we don't lose, or these special little moments. So I like photography for these reasons, is that, you know, hopefully be able to preserve these for later on when I can't remember those times or those moments that are special to me. So I love photography for these reasons.
Thank you, Lou.
24 Z Master, 100 ISO. I want the ISO to be
Glenn speaking. Hey. So here we are with Joe. Joe used to be a member of the Newmarket Climate Club. He's out in Brighton now, a member of the Wellington Camera Club. Tell me something about photography. What you have a lot of passion. You have a lot of passion for photography. Like, what drives you? You're just endlessly doing something that's amazing. What is it that drives you?
Well, it's something you can do by yourself or as a group. And I love to share, so I love to teach. And you know, there's so many people that want to learn photography. I mean, sure, you can buy a good camera and you can buy all kinds of equipment, but you got to learn how to use that equipment. And being a little bit out there and a little bit strange, I've been able to, you know, do a lot of fun photography where people don't, you know, think of things that are fun to play with, like a flashlight, or painting with light, or using still wool, or tubes, or just being in your basement for hours on end trying to photograph a water drop. You know, anything to me is fun. And you know, I've used Christmas lights, I've used Canadian Tire lights, I've used every kind of lighting system you can. I have professional lights, but a lot of times for some little project or whatever, it's fun to try maybe using 3 different light systems in the same shot, and using movement in a shot, and using continuous slow motion for moving objects. It's just so much fun to try, you know, whatever. Just don't get stuck on using one program or one type of photography. Some people say, oh, I'm a flower photographer and I only use a natural light. You know, get out of that mindset. Start playing around with other different materials, and you'll find you can expand your photography and your creativity far more than you ever thought you could by just photographing a flower, or you know, playing around photographing outside with nature.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Hey, it's Ian Sinclair. I'm here at Vistix, what do they call this? ProFusion Expo, seeing all the latest in photo and video equipment. And I'm here with my friend Glenn Rodger. It's good to see you, Glenn.
So I see your live music photography, and it's out of this world. Like, what gives you passion for photography? What drives you to photography? Because you're just consistently into it and getting great shots. Tell me something what is it that gets you going like that?
Well, it's nice to be able to combine my passion for music and photography together, and I think that makes me do well with the music photography because I was a musician for a while and a photographer for my career. And I like to be able to shoot. What I really like to do is to be able to try and capture the joy in music, because music is always such a joyous thing. So I'm always looking for that expression where somebody's got a smile, not just up there, but they got to have expression in the photo.
Thank you so much.
Alright, go with it.